Eva Trades.
Hey, welcome to the Risk Management Trading Simulator series. Today I want to talk a little bit about myself. No, I'm kidding. I'm really kidding. What I was going to say is I want to focus a little bit more on holding my trades because I've noticed that I've had a really high frequency of trades in my live trading after doing the reviews. And I'm like, I could probably hold these a little more, take fewer trades, and it would make for an easier review too. So I'm going to try to maybe focus on that a little bit. It's still about risk management, but I want to try to highlight that a little. So let's do that. We'll go look at some charts and then we'll take off and start trading here. So here we go. And day trading is risky, and that's why I practice in my strategy in a simulator to get practice, to get good at it. So that way when I trade live, I have no excuses. So welcome to Eva Trades. It is a simulated day of December 22nd, and I'll go ahead and push play. All right. And here's a look at my progress so far for the risk management strategy. I've been trading 38 days in this. I haven't done it in a few days. And I'm up $5,205. Looking like I'm due for a little consolidation here. So I have to keep that in the back of my head that I could have some red days coming up. I'm due. Okay, so the stocks that I'm looking at are PRQR. That is the leading gapper this morning, gapping up like 50% or something crazy ridiculous like that. Due for consolidation on the larger time frame. However, we do have a nice stair-step pattern up with 5-minute higher lows and higher highs. So right now, anything above 252 is a higher low. On this pullback, we triple topped up here at 284, and that's fine. Good resistance. If we get over that, that's nice and bullish. Daily time frame. What are we looking at? Ooh, big old gap here. You have to look way, way back in the past. I'm not going to do that. We're just going to go with the immediate price action here. So looking for that 5-minute uptrend to continue. Looks like we tried to break just now. Or was that wasn't there already? No. Okay, some higher red volume here. I don't know about that. But it is a 1-minute downtrend pretty much. So keep an eye on that. Look for that 1-minute trend change. ORIC is the second leading capper. I keep saying was, it still is, as of this simulation time. Okay, I see. So we had a bounce in the hourly time frame on this right here. So okay, so we had our 2-bar pullback, pulled back enough. The bulls could say, okay, yeah, we pulled back enough here. So on any kind of bounce, we're just going to be looking for a lower high, somewhere below 575. Well, the bulls didn't get nearly enough of a push up as they would have liked. So now what that means is we don't have a whole lot of space here to work with on this pullback, and the bears could simply just push the price straight down through, and then we would have us an hourly downtrend. So what does that mean for ORIC? Well, if it were an hourly downtrend, I suppose we'd be looking at daily consolidation probably. What does it look like on the daily? Trading up at around $5. It did gap way up above. So $5 is way up here. So we have some day. We may, it's a big gap up open. So, it could sell off. We'll see. I don't know that that's going to happen, but I'll keep an eye on it. Right now, I guess I'd be looking for a 15-minute trend change back to the bulls. Let's look at the 5-minute downtrend. So 1-minute downtrend. So yeah, it's all bears right now. We need to see some trend changes here to get that bounce on that hourly time frame. 2 minutes to go till the market opens. And GROM, 2-bar pullback on the hourly time frame. You want to see that? I can pull that up here. Inside bar bear break is what this was. So it wasn't quite an equilibrium on the 15-minute. It didn't really equilibriumize. That's not a word, I'm pretty sure. It is now. I just made it up. So take that, Webster's dictionary. Ooh, we have a cheaper stock. So it's below $2. I don't like that, but it's okay. You know, I've traded stocks below $2 before. I don't typically do that well on them. So we've had this lower high and lower low pattern here. Now we have a higher high, double top-ish. Yeah, double top. But we have enough room to pull back and form a higher low and then get that higher high, a break over $2. So that could be pretty interesting if we break over 2. High of pre-market is $2.30. We'll keep an eye on that one. So as the market is about to open here in about 30 seconds, we know what we got. So let's keep an eye on things and see if we get any good trades here today. It's T30. It is kind of nice to be in the simulator today. You know, it's a little bit less stress. See, trading live in the market with real money, it's a little more stressful. Okay, here we go. Ding, ding, ding. I don't know if that's how you ring a bell. I think that's more like if you're a trucker, you're going to ding, ding. I don't know. Okay, PRQR. Okay, breaking the high. Beautiful. I can't trade the first 1 minute, but I can certainly adjust my stop loss parameters so I can match that candle range. GROM, GROM, with a 13-cent range. I'll change my stop loss parameter to about 13 cents. And ORIC is doing absolutely nothing except has some higher red volume bars. Got a broadening pattern on that 5-minute time frame on PRQR here. I'll try it. Okay, I'm in it once. Okay, I'm buying for the break. I want to see it hold the low. So this is where I'm going to try to hold a little bit. I do find that first thing in the morning, these trades typically will reverse. So I don't know if holding right away is a good thing. I wonder if we break $2. I'm going to buy for the break of $2 on GROM. But I'm only in it once. I really don't want to risk the farm here. We're trading below the VWAP, and I don't know what the odds are that it would actually break $2. So PRQR, I want to sell it. I'm going to hold it. I'm trying to be disciplined about that. I said I was going to try it, so that's what I'm going to do. What I'm doing is looking for that. I'm looking for a move up to $3, and I think that's probably where I would try to sell. ORIC. So I'm in. Oh, stop that on ORIC. Probably should have known better with those higher red volume candles. That was a little bit of oversight on my part there. So I lost once on ORIC, I'm in once on GROM, and I'm in twice on PRQR. So I can't take any more positions right now. Well, that is not good. Okay, well, I tried the holding game, and you see where that got me here. I am buying off of the VWAP. I think what I'm talking about when I say hold is like I was trading DKNG live on Friday, and it made a nice move up, and I didn't capture much of it, you know, and I ended up actually being red on the stock because I kept getting in and selling and getting in and selling and just taking quick profits, and I would miss the bigger moves. That's on a stock that was moving up. Now this is a stock here that's pulling back, so maybe holding is not. I mean, it was moving up though. You know, it was starting to break out. But then, like I say, first thing in the morning, a lot of times that will happen. It'll start to break out and then it'll reverse. And so maybe there's something there where I shouldn't be holding, you know, in the first, 5, 10, 15 minutes of the day. I've done pretty good at taking profits quick and it's worked for me. And so far, stopped out on both of these stocks here from holding and looking like I could get stopped out. Oh, no, I did get stopped out actually on PRQR for holding. So we'll see what happens here off of this VWAP dip. Anything above 252 is a higher low on that 5-minute time frame. So now we've pulled back here enough on the 1 minute. We actually have a lower low, but a higher high and a lower low. Big old outside bar here. And the question I need to ask myself is, are we just looking for a lower high on this 1 minute time frame? You know, we don't have a clear direction of the trend on the 1 minute. We do on the 5, kind of. I mean, we broke. It was a bear break. It was a bull break, bear break, but with no follow through yet. You could still say this is a higher low on the 5 minute. I don't know if you can get by with saying that. Might have a bear flag forming here on this 1 minute time frame, but this is where I'm going to hold. I'm going to stick true to my word. I'm going to move my stop losses up right to the low. And I could, if I wanted to, I could probably add on a pullback here. And I will. So I'm adding on that pullback. So I'm looking for big bucks. I think what I would do is I would sell at the break of the high of day. I'm going to move all my target orders down to 294. And we'll see if it happens, you know, see if we get the break through the high of day. It's possible we could get an equilibrium here, the high, low, maybe looking for a lower high, then we pull back for that higher low. I think one of these orders, I'm just going to bump it back up just in case we break through, and I'd like to see if I can get a little bit more out of it. So this could be where we pull back here. We got that red candle on higher red volume. But I'm not going to take the profit. I'm just going to hold it. The market is down today. Here's SPY over here. But SPY is looking to bounce, so that's a good thing. So there's a bull break on that inside bar on the 1 minute. So YGMZ just hit the scan. Looks like it's halted. See over here, YGMZ. Got halted at 631. Must be a 10-minute halt. I might trade that one. All right, so looking more and more like an equilibrium here on PRQR at that lower high. So now we're looking for a higher low. Anything above 235 is a higher, 255 is a higher low. I'm in 3 times. I don't know that I can't really add. I would love to add on a pullback, but being that I'm down 200 on these other two combined, that would put me way below my max loss if I got stopped out. So I don't think I want to do that. It would be cool because then I can make even more on a bounce up. Could really make bank. $640. I'm paying attention. I'm keeping an eye on YGMZ over here. I will let you know if I get into a trade on it. So it's looking kind of like a downtrend here on PRQR on that 1 minute time frame. Like it's going to start trending down. Kind of. It's just a little choppy. I would not be surprised to see us pull back more. This is an inside bar. I think there was a point at which we were up here at 290. So that would have put me up about $320. Yeah, I would if I would have sold up here, I could have been back to break even on the day. Something to keep in mind. So a healthy consolidation so far on PRP. I keep calling it PRQR. So I am in a trade over on YGMZ. It's a halt resumption, but I want to keep focused here on PRQR because that's the one that I've been holding, and I want to make sure I get this recorded. I bought YGMZ off of $5. Okay, let's see if we get the break here now. This is a nice consolidation. I think we're ready to break out. Take a look over here at YGMZ. I'm in more times than I should be, but I bought back here on the VWAP, and it's just been bouncing around here. I actually got stopped out a couple times, and then I bought again. So I'm looking for resumption on this halt. On this halt resumption, halt again would be nice. Green on it right now. Let's get back over to PRQR. I don't want to miss this price action here. Just watching YGMZ over there sure is whipping around. Like look at the candle there. That thing is just whipping all over the place. Not right now, but it was. Okay, PRQR, let's go. Break over 290. We need to see this 5-minute inside bar bull break. Oh, I think I just got, nope, I was going to say I got halted on YGMZ. I haven't sold it yet. I'm up $300 on it right now. I'm holding, you know, same scenario. I'm holding. I moved my stop losses up. I'm holding for the bigger move. I'm actually thinking here, I'm going to take partial profit. And the reason why is because I did move my targets up. Oh, back over here. Here we go. Trying to break. There we go. There we go. That was nice. Coming up to $3. And I'm selling that other one there. So I held it. See that? I held it. And I probably could have kept holding it. Let's get back. Let's go over here now. YGMZ. You know what? That's a nice move. I'm going to sell another part of that. So I was in it 3 times. I sold part and I sold another part. And I think we are halted again. I'm going to go back over here now and I'm going to buy PRQR off of $3 support. And I don't know that I want to hold this. I think I might just sell it once I'm up. Okay, I'll hold it. I said I would. I said that's what the focus today would be. I don't want to. It just didn't look good to me. So all right. So well, okay. So this was a case where holding it worked out for me. Now I did break some rules today. Well, one rule in particular, where I was in more than I was supposed to be. My rules here. Where did I put them? Oh, they're up here. So this one here, I won't take more positions than my max loss allows for. Well, I was down 200 and I was in 3 times. So if I'd gotten stopped out on those 3, I would have been down 500. On top of that, I also got in a few times over here. So stopped out on all of those would have been a huge red day. So breaking the rules, but paying off. So I don't know. GROM. I've got to buy this. I have to. This looks so good. Moving my stop loss up to the low of that candle. It's an equilibrium double top right there. Really want to get over that $1.89 level. What time do we get halted over here? 6:45. Resumption should be at 6:50. Okay, here we go. So there's the break. I'm going to sell it when we get up close to the VWAP. I really don't have a huge interest in holding this. As a matter of fact, I'm going to sell it right now for a loss. How do you like that? It's just that we're below the VWAP and, you know, yeah, it's a nice break, but the idea of holding something is when you're trading above the VWAP and you're trending up. That's the whole idea. So good thing I got out when I did there, or, you know, I would have been stopped out on 3 positions and lost probably, I think I was risking 160 there. Okay. What time is it? It's 6:47. I'm in one time here off of that support. PRQR. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to move my stop loss up to the low of the candles and I will hold it. Okay. I'm holding for the breakthrough over this high. And if we get up there and we start to break, I might add. This is a bear flag right now. Gotta get back over $3. What time is it again? 6:48. I'm watching because over here I'm in with one order. You can see it right here at the top of your screen. 400 shares, average price $5.01. That's where I'm in. My P&L, my open P&L is 264. So if I were to sell right now, I would make $264. So that resumption is going to be, oh, wow. That was a mistake. Okay, what's going on here? Yeah, this one started breaking. I knew better than that. This is that long upper red wick. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this one. I'm down 386 on it. Geez, that's disappointing. I got in it twice looking for the break through the VWAP, and then it just like dropped really fast, just like that, and stopped me out instantaneously. Ah, what exactly ORIC? What was the volume on that when that happened? It's not terrible. It's a little on the light side. So I got stopped out over here on PRQR. So we did not hold that support. That was the high of daybreak, previous high of daybreak. We might hold this one, so I'll try that. Let's go over here. Meanwhile, we'll focus on YGMZ. I'm gonna sell this one right away. As soon as we resume, I'm gonna get out of it. I'm a watching. It's 650. I hope it opens like really high, like way up there, up to $6. Oh, that would be so cool. We might have us a 10-minute halt. And I think we do. Yeah, it would appear so. That was halted at 6:45. It's now 6:51. So we're going to wait another 4 minutes on that. I just sold over here on PRQR. We broke $3, so I exited that position that I took. Looking like it's going to pull back. So didn't really make a lot on that. Yeah, if I hadn't gotten stopped out over here when I got in up here, I'd still be holding this. But unfortunately, my stop was a little bit too tight. And now I'm just not sure I want to get back in it. Not after what happened. I'm going to watch it for a drop. The market itself is starting to kind of curl around now. See what I mean? See that curl action over there on SPY? It's kind of flattening out, starting to maybe turn up just a little bit. Looking for that to be a higher low and higher high on that 1 minute. Keep an eye on that time. We've got 2 more minutes till the... Let's see here. What are we going to do here on ORIC? Not a very convincing break there. But so far it's been that way. These upper wicks, It breaks and then this is what DKNG was doing the other day. It would break and then it would pull back, and then it would break and then it would pull back. And I kept getting caught up in that. And that's what made me think, well, maybe I should have just held. Then I could have captured a bigger part of the move. So that's what I'm going to try here with ORIC. We have a higher low and a higher high on the 1 minute. And I'm wondering here on PRQR, can the bulls hold 287? Can we get that break and get back over 302? It's possible. I'm gonna buy it with taking a chance on that, and I'm gonna move my stop loss up pretty close here so I don't take a big loss. And if it breaks bear, that's fine. I want to get back over here. We're gonna keep an eye. Yeah, I just got stopped out on it. So keep an eye here. We're going to be resuming any second now. Oh, there's the resumption. Oh, wow. You couldn't see it on the screen right away, but I saw it on the price ladder. I sold that puppy up at around $6.50. Holy cow. Look at my profit. $796. That's insanity. Wow. So I'm holding RIC, ORIC. I've gotten burned on it already once, twice. This might be my last trade of the day as we're approaching the 7 o'clock hour. Yeah, this is exactly what DKNG was doing yesterday. It would get up here and it would try and it would try and it would try and it would try, and then finally it would go, and it kept shaking me out. But ORIC could be different. What I was worried about with DKNG was a flush just like that. And that never happened on DKNG, but it's happening here on this one. So taking another loss. And that will be my last trade on the day because, boy, I wish I hadn't traded ORIC, or I would have been up huge today. Huge. 796. On YGMZ, the big winner today, minus $92, minus 486, plus 235. What do we have? Drum roll, 453 on the day. So after all of that, so was holding worth it? It was on YGMC. It was on PRQR. And not at first. At first, I got stopped out, but I did get back in off of the VWAP, and I held that all the way up into here. So, whereas before, I think I probably would have sold it all right up on this push. Instead, I waited for the consolidation, and I sold on that next leg up. So, it was worth it. I took some losses afterwards and gave back some profit, but all right, well, mission accomplished as far as holding goes. It didn't work out for me so well on ORIC. I think the takeaway here should be don't hold when we're trending down, when we're trading below the VWAP. Wait for a stock that's actually trending up. I think that's a good plan. I'm going to start working on that, trying to get better at that, and we'll see what happens. So thanks for watching. This has been a fun simulator experience, and I'm going to do it again tomorrow morning. So we'll see you. We'll see you then. Take care of yourself. Have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.